Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for server performance, memory. Specifically, we're looking at the Lenovo ThinkSystem 16GB TruDDR5 4800MHz ECC UDIMM. This isn't your average desktop RAM. It's designed for the demanding environment of a server, where stability and data integrity are paramount. This particular module boasts 16 GB of TruDDR5 memory, operating at a blazing fast 4800 MHz. The DDR5 standard is a significant leap forward from DDR4, offering increased bandwidth and improved power efficiency. This translates to faster data transfer rates and reduced energy consumption, both critical for server applications. The ECC, or error-correcting code, is a vital feature for servers. It detects and corrects single-bit errors that can occur during data processing. In a server environment, even minor data corruption can lead to system instability or data loss. ECC memory mitigates this risk, ensuring data reliability and system uptime. The UDIMM designation means this is an unbuffered DMM, which is commonly used in servers. The single rank configuration, 1RX8, can impact performance depending on the server's memory architecture and the number of modules installed. It's essential to consult your server's documentation to ensure optimal configuration for your specific needs. The Lenovo ThinkSystem branding indicates this memory is designed for compatibility with Lenovo's ThinkSystem servers. While it might work in other servers that support DDR5 ECC UDIMMs, it's always best to verify compatibility before purchasing. In terms of performance, the 4800 MHz speed provides a noticeable boost in data processing capabilities. Applications will load faster, virtual machines will run smoother, and overall system responsiveness will improve. The ECC functionality provides peace of mind, knowing that your data is protected from corruption. This memory module is a solid choice for upgrading or expanding the memory capacity of your Lenovo ThinkSystem server. The combination of high-speed, ECC protection, and the reliability of the Lenovo brand makes it a worthwhile investment for businesses that prioritize server performance and data integrity. Just remember to check your server's compatibility requirements before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.